Well lads, it's nearly Christmas. If you need the late Christmas present to get sorted out, I have two red calves that I'm going to sell. So this is the first one I'm going to show you. This one is Red House 2990 Hiccup Ada. So she's a granddaughter of the Free Billy, who was the #2 net merit red carrier in the world at a time. This particular calf, beautiful calf, 2770 GTPI, 1481 milk, 59 fat, 43 protein, 1.79 type, 1.95 udder, 0.92 feet in legs, 4.4 productive life. Really lovely calf, really well grown, just off milk. Beautiful calf. I'm going to take you down the bottom end of the yard now and show you the next one, and I'll tell you what I might want for them. So this is another Hiccup. This one is 2833 Hiccup Kit, Red House 2833 Hiccup Kit. She is 2753 GTPI, 1642 milk, 65 fat, 56 protein, 1.15 type, 0.94 udders, 0.97 feet in legs, 4.8 productive life, and she is from our Kit family. There's at least 2 generations of 100-ton cows in hers, pedigree possibly 3. Look, both these calves, red for red, are extreme production genomic calves, especially for red. They're both from high production, high component families, both of stellar pedigrees. Let's see you, turn around girl. If you're interested in these calves, give me a shout. They're not going to be cheap, or I'm going to keep them. $2 a piece. That's what I need to let these calves go. Otherwise, they'll stay here and go into our breeding program. And this is Northern Ireland only. If it's for Christmas present, I don't have time to export. Paperwork won't be done, tests won't be done, so Republic's out. But give me a shout.